Okay. Now I'll go ahead and stitch on the lower leg bolsters, and I'll be back. Sorry about that, forgot to turn on the recorder. I sewed on the lower bolsters. Now I'm just doing the perimeter piece. It wraps all the way around, that's what tucks underneath the seat to hog ring it. So it's a little tedious here. Alright, here's one of the back portions that's done. Put that on. Alright, good morning, it's Sunday. Got the back portion done. And here's the back portion of it. Can you see that? Yeah. Alright, it's Sunday. Sorry I didn't show some of what I was doing, but I'll tell you what, those headrests beat me up pretty good. Anyway, have them both done. Last thing to do is to steam them, get some of the wrinkles out. And there's a side cover for the mechanism that I want to cover, but that's a little bit of glue and stretching the fabric around it. Alright, take care.